You the only one I'm tryna make love to, picking and choosing. They really love you, running games using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Go tell them that a real Modi's stepping in. Don't let them Aussies try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Logan the Empress here, and I did this gorgeous, very neutral look, and I think it's like really beautiful. And so this is what happened. I actually had this look in my head for a client. She canceled, and I was like, I didn't write it down or anything, but I still wanted to do the look, so I just ended up like doing it on myself. Why not? I don't know why I'm saying so much. Anyways, so if you guys like this look, it is super easy and super fast, and you want to figure out how I did this look, this natural, nice, soft, beautiful nude look with just a little bit of shimmer. Just stay tuned and keep on watching. This is a full makeup. How do you say it? Like, I did all of my makeup. I showed you how I did all my makeup. Yeah, I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned and keep on watching, guys. Alright, guys, I'm starting off using my P. Louise base. Rumors, it's in the shade 4. And I use that to set my eyes. And I'm going in with my Anastasia of Beverly Hills, the Alyssa Edwards palette. And the first shade I'm going to start off with is called Ho. Yeah, that's the name of the shade. Hey. So I'm using Ho as a transition shade. Then I go in with back rolls here, the darker brown in the palette. And I'm doing Spot-Lite. And so I'm doing that for the outer corners, just giving it a little bit more definition. And I want to say, like, this, I guess it's not sponsored. Obviously, it's not sponsored. But I really do like this palette. It really blends so well. I think I said that on one of my other tutorials. Like, this palette just, it blends so well. Now I'm going in with the shade Beast, and I'm putting that, I'm right in the middle of the dark brown, the back rolls. And I'm doing that because I think I feel like it gives it more definition. It kind of makes the look a little bit complex, even though it's very easy to do. I think like adding that shade of that black, and then what do you see me here going back in with the same makeup brush I used to do back rolls. I'm softening out that black, and so that everything there's no harsh lines, and everything looks like a gradient, like not like a gradient look. So for my Spot-Lite, I'm using the Supreme, and I may or may not get the Norvina palette because I have to pay for it because I'm not sponsored or on the PR list. But like, I really love Anastasia of Beverly Hills. Anastasia is what the word is, but I'm country, so I say Anastasia. And for my foundation, I use my MAC foundation and my Makeup Revolution foundation, and mixing these two together finds the right shade for my skin tone. And I'm using my NYX under eye concealer, and then my Makeup Revolution and my LA Girl Pro concealer. And yeah. So for contouring, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer again. And I love this because of that little brush that they have on the end. Really gives me like precision contouring. Even though you see me using like a line, it's so much product. It like just spreads everywhere. And so for setting powder, I'm using my Too Faced translucent deep powder, and this is really close to my skin tone. And so what you'll see here is I'll go in and I'll set my whole look, and I'll put this powder all over my face, and I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. And you can see it as I blend this concealer in, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. As I blend it in, it really blends so flawlessly. I mean, like, why spend $20 on concealer when I think I bought this for like $3 because it was on sale at Ulta. And then I'm going to do a little bit more precision contouring a little bit later.
You the only one I'm trying to make love to, picking and choosing. They really love you, running gauge using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Go tell them that a real Modi stepping in. Don't let them Aussies try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated, I know what I'm playing.
Okay, here's where you're going to see me do a little bit more precision contouring with my Black Radiance palette. I contour my nose and I use a makeup brush. I always using a small makeup brush to do my contouring. Unless it's like late at night, then I just do whatever because I'm tired. And my face is super dry, so I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild setting spray. And now I'm using my Morphe drops because I'm getting ready to highlight. And I really feel like when I do the drops first, where I usually highlight, and then come back behind it with a powder to highlight, like a powder highlighter. I really feel like the highlight is popping. And when I do those two together, I mean, it looks like the sun has just come set right there on my cheekbones. It really gives me like that nice high cheekbone. And I'm going to do my lips. I'm not going to spend a lot of time make this part long because I did a video on Instagram where I did showed you how I did this. So I just took that video to be 100% honest. So I don't even know why I'm telling y'all this.
You the only one I'm trying to make love to, picking and choosing. They really love you, running gauge using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Go tell them that a real Modi stepping in. Don't let them Aussies try you.
At this point, I'm really done, but I kind of want to go back in with a softer, more cool setting powder. And so I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Honey setting powder that I usually put under those areas that I really want to highlight. So I'm using this to really sculpt my contouring on my nose, and then also to put it on those 4 spots, which are under your eyes, your forehead, and a dab under your chin, that really give you a like youthful, radiant look. And your girl needs all the help she can get. And I sculpting my cheekbones. I really didn't have to do that, but I mean, it's like a habit. Like, it's like a habit. And also, I feel like my face wasn't flat anyways, but it really keeps me from having like a flat face, and it gives me a little bit more definition and more of a chiseled look, even though I'm not a man. So I don't know why I want it chiseled, but I do. I'm just brushing off the excess powder after I let it sit for a second. I think I didn't let it sit for very long.
Come on and stay silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. I be staying low cause I know what the vibes is. They ain't never got me, no one being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause I know I'm poppin', yeah. I got it, babe, I got it. I back the coupe, I back the coupe, but it sound like a crying. And my wrist VVS with the diamond. Say you wanna fly me out like the timing, but I only can.
I hope that you all have enjoyed this beauty tutorial. It has been your girl Logan the Empress here. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you have not already subscribed to my channel, and hit that bell that hit the bell so that you can get notifications the next time I do another slayage. Yes. Alright guys, see you guys next time. Bye. Wait, what's that? Oh.